Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the indicators. Indicators are actually are ones which help us to understand the price movement in the stock market of a particular stock. Now today we are going to learn about one of the indicators that is called as the relative strength index. Relative strength index is one of the very important index which help us to understand whether the stock is overbought or oversold in a given market. And it uses certain formula to understand that particular thing. It has a ranges from, for example, from 30 to 70, and different people even take from the 20 to 80 percentage. So that based on that value, we decide whether the stock is overbought or oversold, and that helps us to understand or help us to decide a trade whether we should enter the market or we should not enter the market. We should sell the stock, or should buy the stock or remain holding that. So RSI is one of the very important index that we can see, and not we can say that all the index are perfect. All indexes definitely have some kind of efficiency. We can see some kind of disadvantages as well. So we'll see how RSI is actually, we can use that RSI index that is calculated as 100 minus 100 upon 1 plus RS, and that is the relative strength. RS is actually the average gain per day upon the average loss per day. And this RSI is actually plotted for a particular period. We have to select this. RS is calculated, the value is calculated, and it has a period. For example, normally it is calculated on 14 days. The number of days we can choose on that. This average we can take it out from the chart, or we can find it from the index that we can understand that. So it has a value. It has a value from, normally the range of the RSI is from, normally we can say that two different, from 30 to 70. If the RSI level is less than 30, it means the stock is oversold. Stock, you can say, is oversold, you can say. And if the stock RSI is greater than 70, you can say the stock is overbought. So this is how we can understand the RSI level. This is the formula. Though it is not important to understand, remember the formula, but I just, for the benefit of the audiences, I have just written the formula, and we will see on the chart. We'll see this on the computer chart, that how the RSI we actually can plot it. That now we'll see on the computer that how the RSI we can see. So this is how you can plot the RSI. You have to go to the technical analysis study site, and you have to choose the value of from 30 to 70, and the period you have to put insert in the in the box, and press on the create button. This is how the below you can see below the chart the RSI appears. Now you can see different ranges over here. You can see different ranges that we have plotted from 30 to 70. This is the range which we have plotted. Now you can see some points over here where the stock went above, the RSI level went above 70. It meant that at that point of time the stock was overbought and it needed to come down from that level. So generally it is advisable that when the RSI level is above 70, do not enter in the market or do not buy that particular stock at that particular time. And you can see even at the time of the 30, when the stock when the RSI level at some point when it was below 30, you can see that observe that the stock was oversold at that particular time. Even at that time also it is not advisable to enter the market, because we don't know how long that downtrend is going to continue in the market. So that is advisable. The best value to buy RSI level is in between that. Is actually above somewhere around like 35-40 is like average think that is we can look to buy this stock because we have like a little bit on the trend is like changing in the upward direction. So that is how ideal price is there. You can also see the reflection on the you can above charts when the it has somewhat reflected that when this RSI levels were above 70. You can see the points where the RSI level above 70, the stock has in the near term it has fallen down. But again, when the RSI level has risen a little bit from the like 34, 45, 40 something, the RSI level was in between. The stock has given the momentum and it has moved upward direction. You can very well see over here the stock has moved and gone to the upward direction at that particular time. Now it is not perfect. Definitely we cannot say the RSI is a perfect sign, but definitely it helps us to understand whenever the market, you can see here again when the RSI level is above 70, the near term the stock has taken the downtrend. You can see over here the movement of the stock. So it does help us to understand the stock price movement, and there's an indicator that in which direction the stock will move, and that helps us to understand the market even in the sense and understand this price movement with help of the indicators. There are also many indicators which are available, like moving averages are there, and moving averages convergent divergence is there, Bollinger Band is there, and there are so many other indicators that we will see in the upcoming videos and the lectures. Definitely that is how indicators are important. So RSI level does help you to like this is the 2 band which is given, and that also helps us to understand the upcoming of the bullish uptrend and the bearish downtrend that we can see with the help of recognize with the help of the RSI indicator. This is how the RSI indicator works, and this is how even you can see in the during the sideways that how the stock, when the RSI level remains constant throughout it indicates that the stock will be in the sideways. That's how we can see, and we will definitely see in the further videos other indicators. So I hope you understood about the RSI, relative strength index, that is called the very famous indicator in the stock market, and that can be used at different level. How it is calculated, the formula is given to you. How on the period you can definitely change the number of period which is there, and the ranges you can see. Even some suggest that it can even be, some people take even from the 20 to 80, the range is also taken by, but there are different ranges, like for example that is taken 20 to 80, taken 30 to 70. That's how you choose to go over there. So I hope that's how about the RSI level. So I hope you understood about the RSI, relative strength index. Kindly, if you did like the video, kindly do press on the subscribe button and press on the icon bell to get the regular updates and notification. Thank you once again. Thank you for watching our video.